CrateDB is a perfect fit in scenarios where you need a distributed SQL database that excels in handling large amounts of data. Let's look at some specific use cases and scenarios where CrateDB shines. First, the Internet of Things. Here we need to store and analyze massive volumes of sensor data in near real time. Applications for this can include smart cities, industrial IT, or telematics. Next, time series. Here we want to handle high-velocity data streams and perform time-based queries efficiently over large data sets, again in real time or near real time. This is ideal for applications such as monitoring systems, financial market data analysis, and environmental data tracking. When working with logs, CrateDB is a very good choice for ingesting, storing, and analyzing log data from various sources such as web servers, applications, and network devices. CrateDB can provide insights into operational performance and security. When working with geospatial data, Crate's support for geospatial queries makes it suitable for location-based services and applications that require the processing and visualization of geospatial data. CrateDB's horizontal scalability and ability to handle large datasets make it suitable for big data applications and use as an application backend. Also, don't forget that through CrateDB's support of the Postgres wire protocol, you can have access to a large range of drivers in popular programming languages. Let's now turn to AI and ML. CrateDB has native support for vectors and a performance similarity search